Have you ever stopped to think about the power of gratitude? What if I told you that the simple act of writing down what you're thankful for could completely transform your life? Today, we're diving into the magic of gratitude journaling and how it aligns perfectly with Neville Goddard's teachings and the law of attraction. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand why gratitude is a powerful tool for manifestation, but also have actionable steps to start your own gratitude journal and attract your dream life. Stick with me because I'll share a profound bonus tip at the end that will supercharge your journaling practice and take your manifestations to the next level. Now, imagine this: every thought, every feeling you focus on shapes your reality. Neville taught us that assumption hardens into fact. This means that whatever you consistently feel and believe in your heart manifests in your external world. Gratitude is the bridge that connects where you are to where you want to be. When you express gratitude, you are assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled, one of Neville's core principles. The universe doesn't respond to words, it responds to feelings. Gratitude aligns you with abundance, love, and joy, making you a magnet for everything you desire. Let me share a quick story. There's a woman named Maya, a single mother struggling with financial hardships. She felt trapped in a cycle of scarcity until she discovered gratitude journaling. Every night before bed, she wrote down 3 things she was grateful for, big or small. At first, it was hard for her to feel thankful, but she pushed through. Within months, she noticed subtle shifts, unexpected financial help, opportunities for growth, and a deep sense of peace she hadn't felt in years. Today, Maya credits her gratitude journal for helping her break free from the grip of lack and step into a life filled with abundance and possibilities. Here's a shocking fact. Studies show that practicing gratitude consistently can rewire your brain in as little as 21 days. This isn't just feel-good advice. Neuroscience backs it up. Gratitude activates the brain's reward system, releasing dopamine and serotonin, the feel-good chemicals. Over time, this rewiring makes it easier to focus on positivity, even during tough times. Think about that for a second. Your brain is literally being reshaped by what you choose to focus on. So, how do you get started with a gratitude journal? It's simpler than you think. Before we continue, I want to share something special that can amplify your practice and help you build a powerful daily habit. Did you know practicing daily affirmations and gratitude can boost happiness by 30% and reduce stress, yet most people never take action? That's why I've created the Positive Affirmations ebook bundle, your ultimate tool to transform your mindset and manifest your dreams. For a limited time, the first 25 people can grab it for just $14.99, nearly 65% off. It includes an ebook, guided journals, daily prompts, and proven techniques to cultivate self-love, gratitude, and mindfulness. Don't wait. This special offer is limited. Check the link in the description and start today. Your best self is waiting. Grab a notebook and dedicate it solely to gratitude. Every morning or night, write down 3 to 5 things you're thankful for. They don't have to be grand. It could be the warmth of your morning coffee, the smile of a stranger, or even the comfort of your bed. The key is to feel the gratitude as you write. Don't just go through the motions. Immerse yourself in the feeling. Neville once said, "You must feel yourself into the state of the wish fulfilled." Gratitude journaling does exactly that. When you focus on what you're thankful for, you're aligning your vibration with abundance. And here's the beauty of it. When you show gratitude for what you already have, you signal to the universe that you're ready to receive even more blessings. But let's take it a step further. Let's tie gratitude journaling with visualization, one of Neville's most powerful techniques. After writing in your journal, close your eyes and visualize the things you're grateful for. See them vividly in your mind's eye. Feel the emotions they bring you and bask in the joy of those moments. This simple act amplifies the energy you're putting out and accelerates your manifestations. I remember hearing about a man named David who was stuck in a job he hated. He started using gratitude journaling alongside visualization. Every night he'd write about how thankful he was for the career of his dreams, even though it wasn't his reality yet. He visualized himself waking up excited, going to work he loved, and feeling fulfilled. Within 6 months, he landed his dream job in the most unexpected way. David's story proves that gratitude and visualization are not just abstract ideas, they're tools that can create real tangible change. Did you know that gratitude can also improve your relationships? This is one of the most underrated aspects of this practice. When you express appreciation for the people in your life, you create a ripple effect of love and positivity. Relationships thrive on acknowledgement and gratitude, and the energy you put out comes back to you. It's the mirror principle Neville often spoke of. Your outer world is a reflection of your inner state. If you want to improve your relationships, start by appreciating them first. Here's another fascinating insight. Gratitude journaling not only changes your perception, but also influences your physiology. Studies reveal that gratitude can lower blood pressure, improve sleep, and even boost your immune system. It's as if your body responds to gratitude by saying, "Let's thrive together." This means gratitude isn't just a mental exercise, it's a full body transformation. Now, let me take you on a quick emotional journey. Picture yourself 5 years from now. You're living your dream life surrounded by love, abundance, and joy. How did you get there? Chances are it wasn't a massive leap, but small, consistent steps like gratitude journaling that paved the way. Remember, success is built in the moments you choose to align with positivity over doubt, gratitude over complaint, and hope over fear. If you've stayed with me this far, let me reward you with a powerful bonus tip. Try scripting your future using gratitude. Here's how it works. Instead of just journaling about what you have now, write about your future as if it's already here. For example, I am so grateful for my thriving business that brings me joy and fulfillment every day. This technique combines gratitude, visualization, and assumption into one potent practice. Neville would call this living in the end. By scripting your future with gratitude, you're stepping into the reality you wish to create. And before we wrap up, let me leave you with one of Neville's most profound quotes. The world is yourself pushed out. This means that what you experience externally is a direct result of your inner state. Gratitude journaling shifts that inner state, aligning it with the life you desire. It's a simple practice, but its impact is profound. So, what are you waiting for? Grab a journal, start tonight, and watch how your life begins to transform. If this video inspired you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs this message, and subscribe for more content that empowers you to manifest your dream life. And as always, remember that your best life starts with your best self. Your dream reality is just a thought and a thank you away.